So hey guys, we are going to talk about art and how to hang art and what to put behind your couch, because I know this is a really common question. So first thing, I think bigger is better. So either you want to do a huge piece of art, we've done 2 really big pieces of art together, or if you did a gallery wall, what I would say is you could tape it out in kind of a large rectangle and then do the gallery wall within it. We did this the size of the couch, but if you want to go even further, like to where say side tables are, that's okay too. So remember, bigger is better. If you're doing a gallery wall, tape it out. And then how high to hang it. So what we did here is sort of the rule of thumb of 6 to 8 inches above the couch, but I think that's too high. So there's a lot of rules you can Google and look, and that's fine to kind of have that as your starting point. But I find with art, as a general rule, we mostly hang it too high, and it's better just to lower it a bit. So I would take this and probably drop it at least 2 inches and see how it looks. So I hope this helped you in hanging art. If you like this video, please like it, make sure to subscribe, and hop on over to Karla Dreyer Design and take my Defining Your Style quiz. Thanks guys.